Hey guys, so I'm going to start off with this e.l.f. primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Then I'm going to take this clown white face paint, and I'm going to put that all over my face. And the way I do that is I try to distribute it evenly around my face and neck area. Then I'm going to get this white powder by Ben Nye, and I'm going to brush that all over my face until the clown white is set. Then I'm going to grab my Bare Minerals palette, and I'm going to use the color Curtsy, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to get this black color, I think it's VIP, and I'm going to make these sort of cat eye triangle shapes, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to fill that in with the black eyeshadow, making it darker as I bring it slowly in towards the middle of my eyelid. And then I'm going to grab that Curtsy color again and just kind of touch up my inner corners and blend it in with the black. I'm trying to explain as best I can, so bear with me guys. Next, I'm going to grab this black eyeliner and light it on fire. I'm going to use this brush to put the product on, and I'm going to use this to shape and draw in my eyebrows. The way I'm doing this is I'm sort of creating the shape of my eyebrow first, and I'm trying to make an kind of angry expression by bringing in the inner parts of my eyebrows higher up to create this kind of triangle shape here. Then I'm going to try and create an arch right there using more triangle shapes. So then I'm slowly going to fill that in. Then I'm going to grab this white eyeliner and I'm going to light that on fire as well. And I'm going to use this brush and I'm just going to clean up the edges, make sure that everything looks neat. So then I'm going to take some black mascara and fill my eyebrows in. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild contouring palette and I'm going to use the dark side to contour under my jaw. And then I'm going to contour my cheekbones. So the way I contour my nose is I start at the brows and bring it down to the tip of my nose. And I'm just blending as I go along. Then I'm going to make a circle shape at the tip of my nose. And then I'm also going back and bringing that contour up towards my eyebrows. Then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner and I'm going to draw on a cat eye using my eyeshadow as a guide. Then I'm going to use this black eyeliner to outline my entire eye. I'm using Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit in black for my upper lip, overdrawing them a bit. For the bottom lip, I'm using the white face paint and white setting powder. Finally, we can put on our wig and costume. And we're Shego. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.